Hey guys, RTT back here from the video. Guys, a lot of people want to get into the streaming game, but how much does it cost? What can you do? Let's talk about it, guys. So right now, my current setup is I have a light right here that's pointing straight at me. It's a key light. I have right here a camera that's $2,000. And then I have a $400 lens on that connected all the way down to my actual cam link 4K down here. That's $130 connected to a $3,000 PC. Yeah, that costs a lot of money, right? But you don't need that to go ahead and start streaming. First off, all you need is two things. This box right here. And your choice. That or go cheaper, because it's possible to go cheaper. This is literally $80. This is even cheaper. This is, I don't know if they still sell that one. That's the first edition of the Elgato, but this is the new edition for $130. So right here, that's $150 right there. Now, what did that give you? Gives you a webcam, and it gives you a capture device that you can go ahead and stream off your PC or computer or laptop, whatever. Now, I'm going to show you guys this real fast. Right now, this right here, I have my mirrorless camera right here. We're going to switch to my webcam. I'm going to show you the difference between my mirrorless camera and my webcam. Now, my webcam is still a $100 webcam. It's a $120 webcam. So it's still very expensive. All right. So let's go ahead and switch to my webcam. You're going to see it's going to be worse quality than my actual mirrorless camera, obviously. That is going to be obvious, but it's still going to be very, very good quality. It's just not going to be as amazing as my camera is. So here is my webcam. Now, this is a $100 webcam, okay? So today what we're doing is we're seeing, is this webcam actually worth it? Because I just bought this off Amazon. My mom wanted a webcam for her PC or for her laptop, so I'm like, okay, let's use it as an example to see how good is this webcam versus a $20 one that we just picked up. So coming out of the box, we have I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a mounting of something. Let's see. All right, so in the box it should just come with a USB port thing. It comes with a tripod. That's kind of cool. I'll leave a link down below in the description of the link of this, just so if you guys want to pick it up yourself, if you guys do like how it looks. Not being sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored by anything for this. This is not a sponsored video. This is just my unraw, uncut me trying this out. So this is pretty much what it is, okay? It's $25. That's what it is. All right, so it looks like it even has a little thing in the bottom here so that you can actually go ahead and mount it to a tripod. It comes with a tripod, or you can mount it to maybe like an actual not DSLR, mounted to like an actual tripod. This is a tripod, but an actual tripod. Not like, I guess, it doesn't call it a monopod. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and plug this. Let's do this, set this up. Now, I'm going to see. Actually, I probably, no, I'm going to put it up there. I'm going to put it up at the very top, just where this is located, just so we can go ahead and see exactly the difference. Because I don't want to go ahead and put it in a different angle and then it looks different. No. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, the cable is somewhat long. That's good. Go ahead and move my mic out of the way, guys. Oh, okay. Hang on. All right, there we go, guys. So here's what it looks like. It's a little guy right here. Now I'm gonna try to mount it up here on my monitor. I don't know how well it's gonna go. All right, it looks like it's good up there. Let me go ahead and add it as a source in OBS, and I'm gonna see how this looks, guys. So, like I said, I'm very interested to see how this goes. Let me see. USB camera, it's under. Okay. Oh, hey. Hey, what's up? All right, so can I configure this in any way? I don't know if I can or not. You can't. Okay, so some... Oh, wait, no, I can. Wait, hang on. Tell me, can I? Hue, saturation. No, I can't. All right, so you can't change the layout of, like, the camera. You can't make it look any different. So... All right. Let me see. I'm going to try here. Let me go ahead and add a green screen effect to this in OBS. And I'm going to see how this looks. Alright, so chroma key. Right here. There we are. So, yeah. This is how it looks. Keep in mind, like I said, guys, that right here. Okay, let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. So this is right here. Well, on the left, it is the $25 webcam. On the right is $125. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? What's better? I mean, for you, keep in mind money. Keep in mind the money is different. That obviously does impact a lot. But, I mean, a $25 one versus, you know, a good amount more money. Maybe, you know, you save money, you go with a $25 webcam and you get somewhere else. You get, you know, you kind of fix it up somewhere else. I mean, if you just want your face on camera, I don't really think this is bad. I mean, I think it is 1080p. It might end up being, I think it's probably 30 FPS. I mean, like I said. So, hang on, let me go ahead and trying to open this up. Trying to open up the Elgato, guys. Alright. Go ahead. Oh, there's two sides. There's two sides, bro. Alright, guys. It's going to be a struggle city. But like I said, so it doesn't look like the DSLR. I mean, the mirrorless camera, right? And you're not going to get that look out of a webcam. I'm sorry. If you want that look, go buy a $800 camera. Go and buy an $800 camera if you want that look. But you're not going to get that look out of this right here. You're just not. But that doesn't mean you're not going to get pretty good numbers. Pretty good, you know. I'm a little darker. And I can't adjust myself as much. But if I'm talking about saving $100, and you know what you can save $100 and get? This Elgato capture card? I mean, maybe? I'm trying to see if I look good still. Alright, we opened it up. Alright, so in this box, the Elgato HD 60 Plus. It's pretty much plain and simple. It's just going to be the Elgato. Oh, hang on. Alright, so inside the box, you have the Elgato right here. I'm going to minimize one of my guys here. We're going to use the lower end webcam for the rest of this video. Alright. There we go. Oh, this looks weird. Alright. Inside, you get your typical, your HD 60 Plus right here. You also get an HDMI cable and a cable to plug into the PC, and this is a USB-C cable. That's actually very nice. And that's all you get. Pretty much plain and simple. If you guys never used one of these bad boys, go ahead and put in the HDMI out, HDMI in, plug into your PC, run OBS or Elgato software in order to go ahead and record yourself. Guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. WLN for this webcam, by the way. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.